Alright, assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Dogecoin video update today. And it seems like it's been a while. I wanted to do a talk about Dogecoin. So there is an amazing investment going on. There's strong buying with Dogecoin right now, and I've noticed this for a couple of times. I did want to try to trade Dogecoin, but for some reason I didn't actually trade the Dogecoin at all. Now, there has never been a coin that pushes up and doesn't come down. Okay, it's just the nature of every single thing. Whatever just goes up comes down, and that's how it is. Now this is not going to be any different for Dogecoin either, and as far as I'm concerned, you can see that Dogecoin has a technical target to basically come up here. So I'm going to talk about this very quickly and dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment. And into the 4-hour time frame, I want to show you that this right over there, we do have a pattern on the 4-hour time frame right now. So considering that this is your pattern going on right there, you've broken above the pattern, and you do have a technical target to go up here. Now let's try to dive deep into the pattern as well. And when you go into the 1-hour time frame, I do want to show you that you are going in with a Elliott wave theory, and the last time I did even talk about Doge. So we're looking at a first wave, a second wave here, a third wave, a fourth one, and a fifth one. Okay, so now this one is always followed in with an A, the B, the B right there, and then you have this C correction probably down to 0.07664. Now it doesn't really mean that you're not going to go to the technical target. For some reason, there's this one little bit of a buying opportunity that you might have, and that is going to be from there to there. Now this, unfortunately, that trend line has been lost. Otherwise, this could have been an amazing entry opportunity once again. So you do have a touch here, move to the upside, a touch there, move to the upside, come down, and you can see that you finally lost the trend line here. Now the thing is that I do want to see Dogecoin probably coming down, and perhaps it's interested to come down here. You do have one more place of entry, and I'm going to tell you exactly what that is. And it seems like when you broke above here, you didn't backtested this price, 0.07782. And if you do come down here, I do believe that you're looking for a touch to this trend line, because this has been a resistance right there, resistance right here, resistance there, and you're moving up, you're coming down, you're backtesting this as support, and it's time that you could potentially hold it as support, and you do have a trading opportunity. And this is going to be a move up to 15%. So you could actually get a 15% move for Doge right over there. So what do you guys think? All eyes on this price level. This is going to be 0.07782. There's a lot of buyers going on. The indicators, the technical ratings are actually pointing towards people spending money on Dogecoin. There's like 10 million volume, 10 million US dollar volume on this maxi that I've looked at. Twitter has been changing their logo to some X kind of logo, so we do know that Elon Musk is behind Dogecoin, he's behind Twitter, and they're kind of trying to push Dogecoin forward to be used as a form of payment on Twitter as well. That's potentially the reason why we have a move of Dogecoin right now. So that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.